Ramesh asked him, "Why not try to get someone to help you become a merchant again?" Ramesh told him that you should take help from someone to become a merchant again. To this, Naresh replied, "The thought of becoming a merchant again and be able to educate my son haunts me day in and day out. But there is no one in this world who would trust me. I am a worker earning 1200 rupees a month without any security to offer. And I need at least 5000 rupees to start afresh." Now, to the question of Ramesh, Naresh replied to him that becoming a merchant again and to give a good education to his child scares him day and night. But there is no one in this world who trusts him. He is a small worker who is getting only 1200 rupees per month, and that on without security. He needs 5000 rupees to start his work again. When Ramesh gave a train ticket for his hometown and 5000 rupees into his hand, Naresh could not believe his eyes as the train whistled. Putting his head on Ramesh's feet, Naresh said, "This slave of yours will return you this money within 1 year." Now, when Ramesh gave him a ticket for his hometown to go home, he also gave him 5000 rupees with it. Seeing this, Naresh could not believe his eyes upon seeing this. The whistle of the train rang before he could understand anything. He kept his head on Ramesh's feet and said that his slave will return this money in a year. And so he left with the money, which was Ramesh's lifelong savings. That money was entire life earnings of Ramesh. Now Naresh left with that money. However, Ramesh thought that Naresh's promise was beyond power of accomplishment. Repeat this word. Accomplishment means successful achievements. But this time Ramesh was wrong. Now whereas Ramesh thought that his promise is completely different from the power of accomplishment, means a successful achievement. But this time Ramesh was wrong. One evening, a man stood in Ramesh's veranda in spotless white clothes. Seeing the light from the room behind him was in Ramesh's eyes. He did not recognize Naresh until he spoke. He had come a few days before the expiry of the time limit Naresh had set for himself. He told Ramesh about his trading transaction and success that came to him. Now, one evening, a man dressed in white clothes stood in Ramesh's veranda. Where Ramesh was standing, the light was coming in from the room that was behind him. So he was not able to recognize Naresh until he spoke anything. Now, the limit that Naresh had set for himself, he arrived before the finishing of that limit. He came before that limit. He told Ramesh about his trading transaction and the success that came to him. He told everything about his business transaction and his success that he achieved after the help of him. Starting with a few bags of grain and being content with a profit of 25% per bag, Naresh had gradually and steadily, repeat this word steadily, means in a regular manner, built up his business until he was able to deal with bigger consignments. Consignments means a batch of goods, which he could make a good profit. His son was now studying in a good school as he could now afford. He had built a new house and bought a big shop too. All this he had accomplished means highly trained or skilled in a little under 12 months. He started his work with a few bags of grain. He used to get a profit of 25% per bag. Now, but he was satisfied with that. Naresh started his business slowly and steadily, means regularly. He built up his business again. He started his business again. He got a big consignments so that he could make a big profit from that. Now he is able to give a good education to his child because he can afford it now. He also built a new house for himself and he also bought a new big shop. All this he achieved in just 12 months. As the time drew nearer for Naresh's train to leave, he laid 5,000 rupees on Ramesh's hand. Then he took out a purse from his pocket, held it out to him, saying, "This is the interest calculated 25% that I owe you on the money you lent me." Ramesh, however, told him that it was not his custom to accept interest from his friends and returned the purse back to him. Now, before leaving to his hometown, the time for the departure of Ramesh train had come nearer. He put 5,000 rupees in Ramesh's hands. He took out his purse from his pocket and said that this is the interest which was calculated by 25% of the money he had lent. Now Ramesh refuses and says that it is not his custom to accept or to take interest from his friends, and he returned that purse back to him. Before leaving, Naresh said, "During the month I stayed with you, I had talked with your servants, and I learned from them that there was a time when you were reduced to one chapati and a little dal. If such a time should ever come again, which God forbid, repeat this word, forbid means refuse to allow, your slave will place all that he has at your feet." Now, before leaving to his hometown, Naresh told that when he had stayed here for a month, he had spoken to his servant when he come to know that there was a time when Ramesh was reduced to one chapati and a little dal. If this time comes again, which was God forbid, his servant means Ramesh will always be there to put everything that he has in his feet. Until Ramesh was transferred to his hometown, he received a big basket of the choicest mangoes with each year from Naresh garden, for he had helped him attain his ambition. Repeat this, ambition means a strong desire to do something, of becoming a merchant once again. Now, till Ramesh did not transfer to his hometown or return to his hometown, he received his favorite mangoes basket, which was from Naresh garden, and he got this basket every year because he helped him to achieve his ambition, to achieve his desire to become a merchant once again. So students, in this chapter, Ramesh had helped Naresh without any greed. He did not even have a relationship, yet he gave him money because he was a very kind person. Kindness is one of the wonderful gifts you could give. It brings us together and reminds us that we are more similar than we are different. Be someone who helps others, give love. Always be kind to others and help them in every possible ways. Friends, this chapter is finished now. Read it once again. Stay home and stay safe.